Ref, you might shoot someone. You gotta be careful, man. Oh.
Oh my. Hold up.
Turtles look good.
Yeah. Go, 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 go.
Go, go.
No. Yo. 35 C's of lipo goodness. Hopefully my gun doesn't blow up.
It's gonna blow up.
It's not gonna blow up. Turn it off.
Alright, play.
What the hell is even that?
Hey, bro, you okay? You okay? You okay? Hey, you're okay, right? Yeah, get out,
Yo, I talked the fuck out of you though, bro. Yo, I talked the fuck out of you.
Hold up. Wait a minute. Something ain't right.
I don't know.
Let's go, let's go, let's go! Fuck! Dude, oh, my calves are cramping. Oh, fuck you, bitch. What now?
Keep your mask on at all times. Semi only. Distance. We're going to be playing corners, which means everything is going to be open on first floor, except for that long hallway. Is that clear?
Yeah. Shoot up, shoot up!
Push up, down, go, 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 go. Behind the bag! Stay set! You up to the bag! You up to the bag!
That's all right, Nico!
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Oh, hey, yo! I got one.
Disco time.
Hey, Steven, do that again? What is that Fortnite dance? The Fortnite dance. Let me see that Fortnite dance again.
Wake me up for you, Derek.
What the fuck is that?
Bro, I hit you!
I'll get you, bitch!
Hey, someone's in the corner of the second floor building. Yep. Where? Hey, hey.
Enemy spotted.
Oh, got him. Yeah, I got him.
Oh shit!
Bestseller, my God.
Okay. Yo, what's up? Did you just hear that?
Wait a minute.
What happened?
I'm in the wrong.
Alright, watch out, dude.
Guard the president. Because he didn't say switch sides. That's the thing. He just said. What a way to end my airsoft game. This is the last game, too.
Yep, you're still in, right?
Huh?
Still in?
Ah.
Alright.
If I was in, I'd be.
I'll let you off easy. Alright.
Thank you for your service.